All right. So I've been trading stocks, crypto, options for 8 years now. And I can tell you something with certainty. Most people are focused on the wrong things. It's not indicators, it's not win rate, it's not strategy that determines somebody's survival rate or if they can even grow. What actually determines whether you survive and eventually grow? It's something almost nobody talks about. And that's what this channel's about. So I've been in the markets for over 8 years now. I've traded long term, short term, traded in bull markets, bear markets, and everything in between. I'm not here to sell hype or signals or the idea of trading is easy. This channel exists for one reason. It's investing calmly, learning about money, learning about trading, being realistic, and honesty. So if you're looking for an overnight success, this channel probably isn't for you. If you want to understand how money actually works, how to control risk, how to build capital, how to stay in the game long enough for your results to matter and the compounding to actually take effect, then this is the right place for you. 3 things I'm going to cover here. Number 1, risk matters more than strategy. Most traders are obsessing over entry points and perfect setups, but in reality, the strategy matters far less than how much you're willing to lose when you're wrong. You can have a great strategy and still blow your account if your risk isn't controlled. And you can have a very average strategy and survive and even grow if your risk is structured properly. All right, point number 2. Capital control comes before returns. So the second piece is capital control. This applies to not just trading, it applies to your entire financial life. If you don't control your money outside the market, you'll never behave well inside of the market. When life money and market money get mixed together, emotions take over. And emotional trading is how accounts disappear. Number 3. Consistency beats intelligence. The third thing that matters is consistency. The market doesn't reward the smartest person in the room. It rewards the person who can show up, follow rules, and not self-destruct. I've seen incredibly intelligent people lose money, and I've seen very average people do well because they're very disciplined and even boring when it comes to their strategy. Think of 2 traders. One smart, aggressive, confident. He sizes big, often trades and chases returns. The other is calm. He risks less than he wants to. He trades fewer setups. He focuses on survival. Over time, the second trader almost always wins. Not because he's smarter, but because he's still there. If there's one idea I want you to remember from this video, it's that survival comes before success. Once you've survived long enough, your strategies can always be learned and developed, and skills can be refined, and the returns have long enough to compound. So what this channel will cover, we'll talk about risk before returns. We'll talk about capital controls, money systems, budgeting, trading rules that actually matter, how to build wealth without panic or hype. If that sounds like something you want more of, consider subscribing. This is Calm Wealth Lab. Calm thinking, real risk, long-term wealth. I'll see you in the next one.